What more could there be in this cup? The secret rapture. We looked at that in a previous presentation, and we just want to recap. Left Behind, the book written on the rapture, the widescreen movie made of the rapture of this book. And then we asked the question, what does the Bible say about a secret rapture? And then we saw that the Bible is very clear on that. The second coming will be visible and it will be audible. And then they shall see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory. And when the Son of Man shall come in his glory and all the holy angels with him, then shall he sit on the throne of his glory. And he shall send his angels with a great sound of a trumpet, and they shall gather together his elect from the four winds, from the one end of heaven to the other. And then Paul says it to the Thessalonians, for the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of an archangel, audible, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first. It's quite clear, my dear friends, nothing secret. Nothing secret about the second coming of Jesus in the Bible. No secret rapture. Visible, audible. Not two different groups staying alive, the one to be raptured away, the other to go through the tribulation. One group taken away, as in the day of Noah, taken away in the flood. They will die. The other group going with Christ. And those that have raised from their graves into heaven. I think that was quite clear to us.